The FDA has revoked emergency authorization for COVID-19 boosters. This decision ends mandates and narrows access, with boosters now approved only for high-risk groups. The revocation of EUAs marks the end of the emergency status. What does that mean? The COVID-19 vaccine is no longer on the emergency fast track, bypassing normal testing procedures. The vaccines must now undergo standard testing and licensing processes similar to other vaccines, as per FDA guidance. Updated boosters from Pfizer, Moderna, and Novavax have been approved for use. With EUAs revoked, these shots will proceed through the standard approval process, which requires placebo-controlled trials from 2027 to 2028. The FDA has ended broad EUAs for COVID-19 vaccines, limiting shots to higher-risk groups. Access remains available through healthcare providers. Vaccines are now marketed as fully licensed, with manufacturers confirming new limitations for 2025-26. More details will follow in upcoming updates. Stay informed with the latest healthcare news and developments.